Hello students, welcome to the class on Engineering Mechanics. I am Gayatri Mavre, Assistant Professor at Engineering Sciences Department, AISSMS IOIT Pune. In this lecture, we will study what is free body diagram. Then we will discuss about steps to draw FBD, and then we will try some practice questions. A diagram formed by isolating the body from its surroundings and then showing all the forces acting on it is known as free body diagram. Free body diagram is required to be drawn for the body under analysis. Here are steps to draw FBD. First step is to make the given object free from its support and other objects. Then give numbers to the contact surfaces which the object have. Show weight of the object vertically downward acting through its center. Then draw normal reaction perpendicular to the contact surface from the contact surface towards the object. One normal reaction for each contact surface we have to draw. So total number of normal reactions is equal to the total number of contact surfaces. Further, we have to show friction force for rough contact surfaces. Then show externally applied force acting on the object if any. Show tensile force if thread or rope or cable or wire or string is attached to the object. Show spring force if spring is attached to the object. Finally, find angles of inclined forces if any. If you follow these steps, you can easily draw FBD of given object. Here are few practice problems. We have to draw FBD for given block and sphere. We will try to draw FBD of this block first. Very first step is to make the block free from its support. Now this block is placed on horizontal surface, so there is only one contact surface for the block. I have given number 1 to the contact surface. Then show weight of the block acting from its center vertically downward. Say this is weight of this block. In problem, its mass is given 90.7 kg. If you multiply mass with 9.81, you will get its weight in Newton. For contact surface, we have to show now normal reaction. Contact surface is horizontal, so normal reaction will be vertical and from the surface towards the object. So the normal reaction is vertically upward. I will give name N1 to this contact's reaction. After this, we have to show friction force. Before that, let us show externally applied force which is acting at this corner. Magnitude of the force is given P and this force is acting at 30 degree with horizontal. Under the action of this applied force, if this block move, it will move towards right. So the friction force will be towards left, parallel to the contact surface, opposite to the direction of motion. This is how friction force will act on the object. Now this block is not attached with any wire, thread, rope, cable or string. So no need to show tensile force. Again, this block is not attached with any spring. So spring force will also not be there in the FBD. So this diagram here I have drawn is called as free body diagram of this block. Now let us try to draw FBD of sphere given. Firstly, make the sphere free from its surrounding, free from its support. Now this sphere is supported by two inclined surfaces. I will call, name of the first contact surface is A and name of the other contact surface is B. Show its weight vertically downward from its center. This is weight of the weight of the sphere W. Mass of this sphere is given 200 kg. So weight will be 200 into 9.81 Newton. Now show normal reaction for contact surface A. Normal reaction will be from the surface towards center of sphere. Name of this reaction is Na, and for contact surface B, normal reaction Nb will be like this. From the surface towards center of the sphere, Nb will act. Now this sphere is resting against smooth surfaces because coefficient of friction is not mentioned in the problem. So we need not to show friction force. No any other external force given to act on the sphere. Further, this sphere is not attached with any spring or string. So spring force or string force will also be not there in the FBD. Diagram drawn here is called as FBD of the sphere. Now to simplify this diagram, I will redraw this FBD showing all forces going away from its center. This is W, vertically downward, weight of the sphere. I will transfer this Na in opposite quadrant so that it will go away from center of the sphere. Use principle of transmissibility to transmit this force, and Nb I can show like this. Now finally in this FBD we have to write angles for the inclined forces. Now Na is perpendicular to this contact surface A. If this angle is 90 degree, one angle is 60 given, so this angle of Na with respect to horizontal must be 30 degree. This angle comes out to be 30 degree. Angle here is 30 degree. Okay. And if I draw perpendicular NB to this surface, it will make 60 degree angle with horizontal. So angle here is 60 degree. NB will make 60 degree angle with horizontal. This is called as free body diagram of given sphere. In today's lecture, we have seen what is free body diagram, and then we have discussed steps to draw FBD. Now it's time to check your understanding. Here is one block of weight 300 Newton which is applied with the force P, making angle 30 degree with horizontal. You have to draw FBD of this given block. Take mu s, coefficient of friction, equals to 0.3. You can pause your video here. Try to draw FBD for this block. To check your answer, I will give you here FBD of this block. Make the block free from its support. Give name to the contact surfaces. Here only one contact surface is there. So give name 1 to the contact surface. Show weight of the block vertically downward from its center. It is given 300 Newton here. Then show externally applied force. It is acting away from the block like this. P force, making angle 30 degree with horizontal. Then show normal reaction. Contact surface is horizontal, so perpendicular to it, vertically upward is normal reaction N1. If this block move under the action of applied force P, it will move towards right. So show the friction force towards left, opposite to the direction of possible motion. This is friction force Fr, which is equals to mu s n. This block is not attached with any spring or thread or wire, so no need to show spring forces or forces, tensile force in thread. In this diagram only one inclined force is there, and which is P. Its angle is given as 30 degree. So this is complete FBD for given block. For further practice, you can refer some reference books. It's end of the lecture, but let the learning continue. Thank you for watching.